Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, one of my favorite Divi plugins have released a new layout today, and it's a whole layout cafe landing page. And they've got it right here. You can download it from the button here. I'll put this link below the video. You will need Supreme Pro to be able to use this today, and they've even included the colors for you so you can customize it how you want. They're going to be using the icon list, dual heading, Supreme button, floating multi-images, masonry gallery, business hours and card carousel. And I downloaded it and installed it, and this is what you get right here. And it's a nice little layout. So I'll show you how to download and install it. It's really easy. So first thing we want to do, just hit the little download button here. And they've got a live demo here if you want to check it out. I'm using Google Chrome, so mine's downloading it to my browser window here. Once downloaded, it downloads it as a zip file, so you need to extract the zip file to get a JSON file. And it gives you a JSON file which we'll be using to upload to our library. So if we go down to our library, dashboard, Divi library. Once in the library, I'm going to go up to import and export. Of course, we want to import our layer. Now you can hit the choose file button here and browse to the location, but I'm simply going to drag mine over. Here's the folder with the extracted files. I'm going to drag mine over and just drop it where it says no file selected and hit the import Divi builder layouts. And there we go, it's imported it to our library. And as you can see, here it is. So let's create a new page and import it into the page. I'm going to call my page Cafe, call yours whatever you want. I'm going to use the Divi builder. As it's in our library, I'm going to browse layouts. And I'm going to go up to My Save Layouts. There it is right there. Simply going to left click on it. And there we go. It's imported it into our page here. Of course, you can go into it, any module. Go in there and change it and put in your own content. Simply select it, go in there. Like I say, you will need the Pro version today. We've got Supreme price lists and floating images and things like that. And you can simply go in there, edit them, put in whatever content you want. And the nice thing about this is, like I said earlier, they've given us the colors that they've used here. So you can import those into your site. For instance, my Navbar. If we wanted to change it to that color, simply go to our customizer, appearance, customize, and we'll change it to that yellow color. Let's go down and see what that was, sort of orangey yellow. Go down to your header and navigation, and our primary menu bar, which is this one. We can change the background color right here. Simply type in that hex code. There we go. Not sure about that, but you get the idea. I better make that black or something. And the top bar, we can perhaps grab this color, go back in there, roll up. We'll go back to the secondary menu bar. There's the background color for this one. There we go. Let's save our changes. Now we can go back to our cafe. We'll save the draft or publish if you're ready. Exit the visual builder. And there we are. You can see our nav bars changed the colors there. Our top one and primary and secondary there. And we've got our nice little layout right here. So floating images, Little carousel, business hours, subform. Could do the footer as well. So there you have it, another nice free addition to the Divi Supreme modules. Nice little layout they've got going on there. Like I say, I'll put this link below the video. For anybody that hasn't used Divi Supreme, if you're using the Divi theme, it really is a fantastic addition. And there's a free version as well as a pro version. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.